Welcome back or welcome to Learn English Quiz. This video focuses on English listening and speaking practice with the verb to like. For the best results, listen and repeat. I like you. I like you. I like him. I like him. I like it. I like it. I like that. I like that. I like both. I like both. I like it here. I like it here. I like this one. I like this one. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I like Peter. I like Peter. I like Italy. I like Italy. I like coffee. I like coffee. I like summer. I like summer. I like apple juice. I like apple juice. I like girls. I like girls. I like boys. I like boys. I like tennis. I like tennis. I like sport. I like sport. I also like sport. I also like sport. I also like winter. I also like winter. I really like winter. I really like winter. I really like her. I really like her. I like this house. I like this house. I like your car. I like your car. I like this color. I like this color. And now see how to use I like plus word ending with ing. I like dancing. I like dancing. I like singing. I like singing. I like studying. I like studying. I like eating. I like eating. I like playing. I like playing. And now see how to use I like plus infinitive form of the verb. I like to study. I like to study. I like to travel. I like to travel. I like to smile. I like to smile. I like to see you. I like to see you. I like to play soccer. I like to play soccer. And now see how to use I like plus WH words. Like, what, who, which, when, where, why, how. I like what you do. I like what you do. I like what I did. I like what I did. I like how you cooked rice. I like how you cooked rice. And now see how to use negative form of I like. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like sand. I don't like sand. I don't like cold. I don't like cold. I don't like any of these. I don't like any of these. I don't like dancing. I don't like dancing. I don't like to judge. I don't like to judge. I don't like how it looks. I don't like how it looks. Thank you for watching.